May I know as to the provisions of section 1, and that the probable weapon used was a sharp, whether that death was lawful or unlawful. And therefore I find the first accused person guilty as charged herein of the offense of murder, that on the night of 19th of September 2018, at an unknown time at Ramuria Gardens apartment, Kitara Lane off Dennis Prit, with others known before this court, he murdered Monica KImani. The prosecution did not adduce adequate evidence for this court to find the second accused person guilty of the offense of murder of Monica KImani on the night of 19th of September 2018.